Welcome to one and all to the day 5 of the 5 days live workshop, RLF workshop. And if you are ready for a journey of transformation, everybody type me in the chat box. I want everybody to be hyper active in this group. Abhijit, Akash, Amol, Anil, Gautam, Randhir, Sachin, Suraj, Vaibhav, Vinay, Vinod, everybody. I want everybody to be hyper active because if you go a little low, then I will also lose energy, and this kind become kind of like a boring session, which I usually don't do boring sessions. But then today is special because today is the last day. So everybody type ready in the chat box. We have given them enough time. It is 6:05 now. So type ready in the chat box if you want me to start on this awesome journey. Let me grab hold of the presentation today. Yeah. So I hope everybody can see my screen. Please type yes in the chat box. Great. Let's start rocking. I have to learn some more moves when you are sitting on a chair. Otherwise, you have a lot of moves when you're dancing, ऐसा and that Hrithik Roshan, ding, ding, ding. But यहाँ पे बैठने के बाद क्या सिर्फ हाथ ही हिला सकते हैं और क्या कर सकते So in a live session, this becomes kind of like a hurdle. You can just move like this Egyptian move or something like that. But maybe, some of you who are good in dancing can show me some hand moves and something like that, and we can spice up this dance stuff. Yeah. So anyways, welcome everybody to the final day. Today is the day when you are going to get all the good stuff. Today I'm going to bring everything together, and so everybody type ready in the chat box if you're ready for a journey of transformation, and if you are ready to bring all the 4 days learnings, and I will show you how to create a sustainable food business. Yeah. So learn how to profitably launch any type of food business without a huge investment, even if you don't have any experience. Very less investment, and if you don't have any experience, type me in the chat box if you want this. Launching any kind of food business without any investment, with with as less experience as possible. Yeah, it is possible. So a quick recap about the 4 days. On Monday, we spoke about getting the right mindset. I told you it is all about 80% mindset and it is 20% strategy. Do you guys remember this? Type yes in the chat box. Believe in yourself. Believing is far more important than doing, because that is what takes you through. And then I asked you to share your why, dreams, goals, and obstacles. Tuesday was all about how to choose the right location, how to choose how to make sure that which type of location is ideal and potential for a food business, how to research potential areas. And then you went ahead, you gave me your 5 potential locations, why they are important, how many restaurants are there, and even you gave marks for it. Yeah. After that, third, everybody remembered the Tuesday one? Type yes. Wednesday, we spoke about how to choose the right concept. All concepts are right at its own place. Choosing concepts based on personal interest, passion, as well as budget. And then on Wednesday, you recorded a video and invited everybody to your restaurant. If you loved that simple activity, type cool in the chat box. I love to see each and everybody's video and your confidence and the breakthrough which you got after releasing that video in our private WhatsApp group. Now, yesterday we spoke about how to match the right target customers to your concept. We talked about the restaurant success trifecta. Let me give you a quiz. How many people remember the secret AFT formula? What does AFT stands for? Type in the chat box. Let's see how much present you were. क्या था AFT? A for affordable, F for what? F for what? Don't say F for the other bad word. F for what? F for frequency, and T for what? T for T. Come on, ticket size. Yes. Congratulations to all the people. I think as a team we have come together. Affordability, frequency, and ticket size. The more higher the person can afford, the frequent he can come to your outlet, and the higher the money he can spend, your business will make money. After that, I spoke to you about food product matrix, and then I gave you a homework yesterday about coming up with your own small menu and targeting your target clientele. Everybody type yes if you remember yesterday's homework. Now we are moving ahead, and I will tell you what makes restaurant successful in just 10 minutes. Type me in the chat box if you want to know the simplest formula, which is actually a no-brainer. It is kind of like common sense. But as the late Dhirubhai Ambani ji has said, that common sense is the most uncommon in this world. So let me set my mic. Yeah. So let's go ahead. Do you want to know the 3 secrets of successful restaurant owners? Cool. The first one, can you see the face of this girl when she's been served a lobster? Now type yes in the chat box if you would have got in a, you like kind of like non-veg or veg, you love a restaurant, you are fantasizing about that restaurant, aaj jaake main, any kind of lovely food which you like, chicken biryani or pav bhaji, sandwich, whatever, you are craving about it from the past 5-10 days. And you say in your mind, आज जाके तो मैं तोड़ने वाला हूँ, आज तो मैं चिकन बिरयानी, चिकन तंदूरी तोड़ूंगा. And you go to your favorite restaurant, you sit, you order, and then in the 5-10 minutes your mouth is just watering. कभी आ रहा है यार, कभी आ रहा है. And when that guy is getting that, and you see the expression on the face of that girl, that happens for a reason. And that is, type yes if you have felt this at any point of time in your life. I know most of us have felt this, especially when we were kids. When pizza milta tha, burger milta tha, pav bhaji, oh Chinese hai, jo bhi hai, bhook lagi hai. So this happens because of the number one secret, which is exceptional food quality. Sorry to get this on the head. Exceptional food quality. If you start giving exceptional food quality in your restaurants or in your home kitchen or world, this is the number one secret of a successful restaurant. And I know it is kind of like common and a no-brainer, but a lot of times I have seen a lot of big restaurants making this mistake of serving shitty quality food to your customers. Everybody type agree in the chat box if you agree to this. If you serve the awesomest, tastiest food, irrespective of what your competition is, irrespective of what your market is, economics is, you will do well. Now comes the second part, which is the right quantity. Along with the right quality, you should always serve the right quantity. The definition of satisfaction when you eat food is that you are satisfied on your palate, that is in your mouth, but your stomach should also get full. Type agree in the chat box if you agree, and type yes in the chat box if you have experienced a restaurant which is serving awesome food but only this much quantity. The quantity is not substantial. The quality is, I can name so many restaurants which are serving awesome quality, but itna sa dega. So it's like you don't get 100% satisfied. You get 50% satisfied for the taste, but your stomach should also get full. So the first is exceptional quality. The second is the right quantity. You should give the right quantity which is sufficing for your customer so that he is 100% satisfied. And the third one is the right price. The third one is the right price. You can see on the face of this, of course, I've got a random picture here, but you can see on the face of this guy when he is paying by his credit card or debit card or whatever, you can see him smiling. He is not smiling because he has girls besides him. Even if he has 5-6 girls, if the restaurant is charging more and it has given shitty quality food, shitty quality service, this guy will not smile. Isn't it true? Type yes in the chat box if you agree to this. Type yes in the chat box. Nobody will smile when you are cheated, irrespective. Even if there is Aishwarya Rai on this side and Pamela Anderson on the other side, you will still feel as if you are cheated. You will feel a sense of rage. So this is the third secret: the right pricing. Your pricing should not be too high compared to the market. Your pricing should not be too low compared to the market. If you will serve low than the other competitors, you will temporarily attract customers, but you will have to put money from your pocket, and you will not make any money. If you charge high compared to your restaurant, compared to everybody, you will make money, but you will not cover in volume. So that will also be unsustainable. So you have to be at least 5-10% higher, or 10 to 20% higher than the market, not lower than the market. Please understand, discounting is a worse strategy. Lot of companies, lot of restaurant owners, we have seen so many discounting companies which have come in. We have seen the Groupons of the world. Now you cannot hear where Groupon company has gone. You have seen so many companies who have come, they have discounted stuff. You have the Oyo, you have the everything is based on discount, is not sustainable for a longer period of time. Ultimately, you have to win your customers based on best quality, best quantity, and reasonable pricing. Yeah, everybody following up till now, type yes in the chat box, please. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So when you have the right quality, the right quantity, and the right price, all the three things come together and magic starts happening. Type yes in the chat box if you have or type me in the chat box if you have accidentally discovered a restaurant where you went and you had something like a biryani or a pav bhaji or chicken biryani, and you were blown away by the quality, the quantity, and the pricing, and you came out of that restaurant, you bought out your phone and you started telling about this to all your friends. You even offered them, अरे कल आजा मैं तेरे को खाना खिलाता हूँ, क्या रेस्टोरेंट है यार, क्या बिरयानी खाया यार, मजा आ गया कसम से, और ये भी इतना रेट में. Can you type agree in the chat box if you understand that sentiment? That is the sentiment which your customers should have. That they have discovered gold. They have found the best quality, best quantity at reasonable price. After they discover that, they automatically start advertising you in their networks, and your restaurant starts becoming the talk of the town. खाना भी इतना बढ़िया है, रीजनेबल रेट है, क्वांटिटी भी अच्छा है, मजा आ गया यार, इसमें तो ऐसा ये रेस्टोरेंट बंद होना ही नहीं चाहिए. Subconsciously we all think that this restaurant should not close down. That's why we go out of our way. And how many people have done that? Type me in the chat box. Anywhere in the 5-10 years in your history, how many people have done that? You might have it can be a small pani puri wala shop also. It can be a bigger dosa counter restaurant, anything. You discovered something, it was so awesome that you couldn't help yourself by to tell everybody, and you went on an advertising spree. Yeah. So this is what magic happens, and the restaurant becomes unstoppable. It starts taking flight, and the sales start growing like crazy. Your volume starts growing, and you start making money as fast as possible. So how many people want to know? Type me in the chat box if you want to know how to double your sales in 30 days. Baba Ji ka dhaba. Everybody type me in the chat box if you want to know how to double your sales in 30 days. I want everybody to take action. Nobody should sit over here as if you're watching an IPL match, because this is an interactive session. Abhijit, Akash, Amol, Gautam, Pramod, Randir, Sachin, Suraj, Vaibhav, Vinay, and Vinod. Come on, guys. Thank you so much. So here is my super successful formula. With this formula, if you implement it completely, you will literally double your sales in coming 30 to 60 days. Now let me take you through the formula. I call it as the winning formula to double your sales. Can everybody see this formula? Type yes in the chat box. I don't know where to place my face. Yeah, I'll place it here. So on this formula, by the way, one of my students, I will show you his restaurant. He is in Jaipur. His restaurant is called Jaipur Modern. And he has doubled his sale in the past 30 days by actually implementing this formula. So this is not just something which I am telling you. I have just prepared yesterday night and I am telling you. This is a very, very powerful formula, especially for people who are going to open their outlets as well as for people who are already owning their outlets. So customers, here you can get customers. So basically this is kind of like a flow. You have the customers, you design your menu in three parts. One part of your menu is kind of like the attracting factor. Type yes in the chat box if you remember, or sorry, if you know that McDonald's, Pizza Hut, or KFC, Subway, everybody has a low ticket product to attract the customers. It might be a 69 rupees burger, it might be a 56 rupees pizza, it might be a 80 rupees Subway sandwich, it might be a what else is there, KFC, it might be kind of like a 120 rupees small bucket or whatever, mini bucket. This is done so that you can attract your customers, and this thing is advertised in bulk, advertised in on a mass scale. So Burger King gives 2 burgers in 79 rupees. Those are small burgers which are sold with kind of like a little bit of this thing, but those burgers are kind of like an attracting factor. So deal of the day, trial offer, sample kit, toy of the month. You know, McDonald's is selling a Happy Meal with the toy of the month. It is an attracting factor. Subway of the day, 1+1, happy hours. If you go in the lounge, you will give to happy hours, because in happy hours you will get cheaper liquor, but you will get addicted to the ambience. And after some days, you will not come in happy hours. You will come only in peak hours. Now, this is the first thing. Second is the magnetizing. So first is attracting the customer. Second is magnetizing the customer. Type yes in the chat box if you have seen two opposite magnets attracting each other. They are like having a pull power. So your restaurant or your outlet should have the ambience. It should have the culture. You know, it should have such a comfortable feeling that people get stuck to it, like how a honeybee gets stuck to honey. So ambience, culture, then you have your regular hits. Now, which company makes the best pizzas? Domino's. Which is the best oversold pizza of Domino's? It is Cheese Burst. Type yes in the chat box if your kids or you love the Cheese Burst pizza. So if you want to have pizza, you will have a Domino's pizza and Cheese Burst pizza. Dusra kidhar bhi, because nobody can make a good Cheese Burst pizza as Domino's does. So Maharaja Mac, so if you have a burger, you'll always have Maharaja Mac burger. You'll have platters, combos, and loyalty bonuses. So these all things magnetize your customer to your outlet. So you have to think about this. And thirdly, you have to profitize. So first is attraction, second is magnetization, and third is, here is where you really make the profits. Bulk orders. You take birthday parties, you take marriage parties, you take corporate big bookings, you take. So when the quantity of food products multiplies into a certain number, automatically your profit also multiplies. Everybody type yes if you understood this. Second is upsells. Do you think, and I want everybody to answer this. I want everybody to write yes in the chat box if you agree to this. Do you think McDonald's can really sustain by selling a 79 rupees burger? Of course not. Burger King can survive by selling a 89 rupees 2 burgers? Of course not. The real money is in the upsells. The upsells means whenever you go and you order a 79 rupees burger in a McDonald's, you can test it that the person who is behind the counter will always ask you, sir, would you like fries or Coke with it? Because the real money is not in the burger. The real money is in the upsell. If you order fries and Coke, immediately you spend another 120 rupees and your total bill goes up to 220. So you had gone there thinking that you are going to spend 80 rupees and you end up spending 225 plus taxes around 250 rupees. So these companies are monitoring the performance of their sales people on the cash counter, like how military is monitoring the border. They have a very, very stringent, ruthless policy because they want to make money. These are not, these MNCs have not come here to give AC restaurants to sit to the Indian masses. They are here to make money. So that's why, and type yes in the chat box if you agree that that's why you never see the same salesperson behind the McDonald's, Domino's, KFC cash counter, periodically. If you go one day and you go the next month, the person has changed because his performance drops. He is moved from there and somebody else is placed there. So these are very, very ruthless. Upsells, then we have events, we have parties, we have group bookings, we have sponsorships, we have advertisements, and we have home deliveries. Home deliveries is the biggest profitizing center because your fixed costs are same. Even a single order extra is money in your pocket. So after that, you have to, after you place in all these three things, attraction, magnetizing, and profitizing, you have to always keep on doing this. Upselling should be kind of like a regular activity in your restaurant. Any item which you sell, you always have to come up with a combo offer, kind of like a bulk offer, so that you can sell as much as possible. Secondly, in order to make sure that your staff keeps on doing upselling, you have to keep on training your staff, because the staff you have to refresh your staff. You have to focus on how much upsells. You have to tell them, "Are aaj itna upsell kiya, kal itna kar, parso itna kar." And third is promoting. You have to always keep on promoting your restaurant, because the moment you stop promoting your restaurant, your reach reduces. People start forgetting you, and then that will affect your sales as well as your profitability. So this is the winning formula. Everybody type love in the chat box if you love this formula. You can. I have already pasted this winning formula in our WhatsApp group. Great. So let's move ahead. So now let me ask you, type yes in the chat box if you are ready for a journey of transformation. By the way, I have now reached the end of my content as far as my RLF 5 days live class is concerned. Do I have the permission from each and everybody of you to tell you about what my RLF coaching program consists? So if I have your permission, then we will go ahead. If I don't have your permission, then we will finish it off. I will urge everybody, all 13 of you live over here. Just a moment. Yeah, there is something wrong with this thing. Yeah, okay. So everybody, Abhijit, Akash, Amol, Gautam, Pramod, Randir, Sachin, Satya, Suraj, Vaibhav, Vinay, and Vinod, please type yes if you want me to give you a sneak peek, or if you want me to give you a preview of what is available. And I will urge everybody to stay till the end, because you will come to know what all are the most important components of creating a successful food business. Yeah. So everybody is ready for a journey of transformation. People are wired to stay inside their comfort zones. Everybody want to open a restaurant, but they don't want to come out of the comfort zone. Type yes if you agree to this. अरे इतना कौन टेंशन लेगा, 50,000 रुपया सैलरी है, मस्त 30,000 रुपया खर्चा होता है, 10,000 रुपया म्यूचुअल फंड में डालता हूँ, 10,000 रुपया उड़ाता हूँ, ज्यादा क्या को टेंशन लेने का, ये ज्यादा हेडेक लेके मतलब नहीं है, chill करने का, 50 every 15 days I get to go for a lounge party, and we get bonus from the company. So company takes us for an outing every 6 months. I mean, that has stopped now because of online thing. So it is a fact that people are not ready to come out of their comfort zone. Everybody type yes in the chat box if you agree to this. So stay till the end, and I will tell you how to build a successful food business of your own without failing. Yeah. So I want to tell you a small story about a baby elephant. Type yes in the chat box if when you are small, you had gone in a circus and you have seen a elephant which is tied to its leg with a rope. Most of us have seen this. So the story of a baby elephant is, that when a elephant is small, what happens is it is very, very naughty because it is small, and small children or small and a smaller version of an animal is always naughty because they are like curious, they are going here, they are going there. So it is very hard to manage them. That's why the small elephant, the baby elephant, people start tying their leg to a tree or to a big nail or something like that so that it doesn't go here and there. Now what happens is the baby is small, and the rope is very strong, it is new, and the baby is trying to break the rope when it is small. It tries for 1 month, it tries for 2 months, it tries for 3 months. But unfortunately, because the baby is small, the baby elephant is small, the rope is new, it is not able to break it. And it, in its mind, it starts accepting that the rope is strong, I am not able to break it. Now what happens is, after some years, how much ever years it takes for an elephant to grow, it grows into an adult elephant. And everybody type yes in the chat box if you know the power of an adult elephant. An adult elephant can uproot trees. An adult elephant can demolish constructions. An adult elephant can create stampede. Samne se, if you see a adult elephant running towards you from on your face, we might piss in our pants. It is so powerful. But if you have watched, everybody type yes if you have watched a circus where you have seen a bigger elephant tied to a rope. But why that is the case is that the bigger elephant, when it was small, it has already given up in its mind that it is not strong to break the rope. That's why when it is tied to the rope, it doesn't do anything. Because it knows, अरे ये तो टूटने वाला ही नहीं है. वो बचपन से उसने accept कर लिया. From childhood, the elephant has accepted it. So I want you to type promise in the chat box and say to yourself that I will not let my past dictate my future. I understand you must have tried something everybody type promise in the chat box. You must have tried something in the previous years. You must have tried share market. You must have tried giving money to somebody for a business. You must have tried some small business, maybe a apparel business, clothing business, jewelry business, anything you must have tried and you must have lost money. Does that mean that the same thing is going to happen you in the future? I don't think so. Type yes if you agree to this. If you are unsuccessful, and even if you have lost 10 lakh rupees in the last 5 years, that doesn't mean that you will lose another 10 lakh rupees in the coming 5 years. So if you think like a baby elephant and you go in your comfort zone saying that I am an idiot, I cannot do this, and business is not for me, then it is not going to work, because your future is not the same as your past. Yeah, everybody type yes in the chat box. Now secondly, I want you to take this rocking chair test. It's a small test. It will hardly take 5 minutes. Everybody put your current age in the chat box. What is your current age? Great. Everybody. Don't say 16. I don't believe you're 16 years of age. Randir is saying 43. Vinay is saying 24. Vinod is saying 29. Amol is saying 25. Gautam is 26. Akash is 25. Suraj is 32. Abhijit is 46. Sachin is 45. And Satya is 29. Great. Thank you so much. So imagine that you are 75 years of age and you are sitting. Of course, 75 years of age, we all will be old. So you are sitting in the evening. It's a beautiful evening of the summers. And you are, just a moment, let me increase this. You are sitting in a veranda outside your house and you are enjoying a cup of tea or coffee, whatever you like at that point of time. And your grandkids are playing in the outside area. It's a beautiful summer evening and a little bit of warm breezes flowing through. You are just on your rocking chair test, this rocking chair, and you are rocking like this, aisa rocking kar raha hai, and you are having the best time of your life. You are enjoying your life and you are watching back, thinking about it. And now what happens is after some time, a thought enters your head that, when I was of this age, the same age which you have now put in the chat box, Randir 43, Randir for Randir, for Vinay 24, for Vinod 29, for Amol 25, for Gautam 26, for Akash 25, Suraj 32, Abhijit 46, Sachin 45, and Satya 29. When I was of that age, I saw and I clicked an ad. I saw a face called Gopal Kamath on Facebook or wherever, YouTube. I saw his videos or I saw his ad. I clicked on his ad. Vaibhav is 29. And I then joined his 5 days live workshop. And I loved him. I did all the things which he said. Ye activity karo, wo activity karo. I loved his presentation. I was very, very pumped to open a food business. But somewhere down the line, I couldn't muster up the courage to take that decision. I couldn't take the decision because I was, I couldn't, somehow something stopped me from taking action. अगर मैं वो टाइम पे वो डिसीजन ले लेता, if I would have taken a decision at that point of time, my life would have been something different. Do you feel that this can be a scenario? Everybody type yes. If this is possible, it is possible with me also. So I am not saying that there will be no regrets for you when you are 75 years of age. There will be regrets. I cannot change that. Even you cannot change that. But the time is to minimize the regrets by taking action and working on your dreams and your passion business, because this is the time which you have. After this age, after 5 years, after 10 years, after 20 years, you are not going to make things happen. There is a saying that if you want to get fruits from a tree, the best time to plant a tree is 25 years back, and the second best time to plant a tree is now. Everybody type agree in the chat box if you agree to this. If you want fruits from a food business, if you want fruit from a restaurant, from a home kitchen, from whatever, the best time to start it is now. It is not 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line. Of course, you will need some time to understand the business. You can take 6 months, 1 year, 2 year. I'm not saying immediately start after this, but the best time to start learning about this is now. Everybody type yes if you agree to this. Yeah, that is what I meant. So I want you to take a decision today. The people who take decisions reach somewhere. The people who are always in an analysis paralysis mode, let me see, let me think, their life always becomes kind of like a thinking board where they are just thinking in different stages of their life. यहाँ पे मेरे को ये करने का था, मैं सोच रहा था, यहाँ पे मेरे को ये करने का था, मैं सोच रहा था, यहाँ पे मेरे को ये करने का था, मैं सोच रहा था. So I want you to take a decision today. Yeah. So do not let your past dictate your future. Come out of your comfort zone. And I will now tell you about some people who have gone through this training have said about the RLF coaching program. Please, uh, uh, please type yes in the chat box if you can listen to this video. I'm going to show you 3 testimonials. I have so many testimonials, but reviews, but I'm not going to bore you with that because this is not about me beating my chati. Oh, मैं ऐसा हूँ करके. I am just trying to show you because these guys have gone through my RLF coaching program. Yeah. So everybody type yes if you can just hear her. Her name is Shruti Kulkarni. She's a software engineer from Bangalore. She has opened up a South Indian restaurant. Just listen to her.
Hi, my name is Shruti and I'm an engineer. I have worked in IT industries for around 5 years. Later, I realized that I always wanted to be an entrepreneur and have my own restaurant business. So I decided to open a restaurant and started researching regarding the information online. But to my surprise, not much information is available online. You see, the restaurant owners don't really reveal their secrets. But once, when I was surfing through YouTube, I found a channel called Get Your Restaurant. This channel is being run by Mr. Gopal Kamath, and I quickly enrolled for his online training program. And trust me, with this training program, I really learned a lot. Mr. Gopal Kamath is a great teacher. He reveals a lot of practical tips, and he is open to all the information as far as a restaurant opening is concerned. He has given a lot of secrets, lot of practical tips, and lot of information which has helped me a lot. Earlier, before joining the training program, I really knew nothing, and after completing a few sessions, I realized that I have climbed 100 steps above as far as knowing the information is concerned. He explains each detailed concept one by one, like whether it be choosing a location, whether it be deciding the concept, whether it be pricing, licensing. He has got information and tips of on every topic, and he explains it in a very beautiful way. He is an enthusiastic, he has got a lot of positive energy, and he conducts these sessions with a complete dedication. I can see the hard work that goes through behind, whether it be creating slides, whether it be noting all the information that needs to be told to the students, and he does it in the best possible way. So I would like to thank him for really conducting these sessions and helping a lot of people know about the restaurant business. Not much is available online. I think he is doing a great job, and I would like to wish him all the very best for all his future endeavors. And I would like to also thank him for doing this, and for being a great teacher. Thank you.
So this was Shruti. Then we have Saeed. He's from Melbourne. You guys can listen to it, right? I think Akash and Sachin said yes. So this guy, Saeed, has already, he was owning a restaurant and he was working in a restaurant, but still he got to learn a lot in our RLF coaching program. Listen to him.
Hi mates, my name is Saeed. I'm from Melbourne. I got to know about Gopal Kamath restaurant launch formula coaching through YouTube channel. I have run an Indian restaurant here in Melbourne and also worked as a head chef at the Indian restaurant. But still, I wanted to learn more about the restaurant business. I learned about so many things after joining RLF Inventor videos provided to Gopal sir. As I was already working in the kitchen, I thought I know most of the things, but it was within my WhatsApp class that I came to know my gaps were, and realized that I need to work on it. The concept which are taught by the Gopal sir in the class are extremely interesting and are supported by question answer session, which is conducted on Tuesday night, every Tuesday night. So I reckon people who doesn't know much knowledge about the restaurant business to join this question answer session where you will come to know many things, how people go through their obstacles, and Gopal sir solve it very easily with his experience. I'm very sure that anyone who attends Gopal Kama's coaching will come out as as a better individual businessman and in successful running a restaurant opening. Thank you.
So this guy is from Melbourne, and now this is the last one, last video. Now, first of all, I'm very jealous of this guy. He's Balwant Kumar. Just check out what an awesome natural place this guy is staying in. So, I mean, immediately when I start this video, you can hear the birds chirping and all cha cha choo choo. So I've just told him, he has opened a canteen in Jharkhand after going through our RLF coaching program. So just check it out. It's a very small video. Everybody loving this? Type love in the chat box. I hope I'm not boring you guys. So just check out this place here. I mean, it is so awesome.
Hey, बलवंत दिस साइड। पिछले काफ़ी दिनों से मैं एक रेस्टोरेंट ओपन करने का सोच रहा था। बहुत सारे प्लान बनाए, बहुत सारे आउटलाइन ड्रॉ किया, लेकिन उन सारे प्लान को एग्जीक्यूट कैसे किया जाए, कैसे अप्लाई किया जाए, ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था। क्योंकि मुझे एक बड़े अमाउंट में अपना कैपिटल इन्वेस्ट करना था, और बिना किसी प्रॉपर प्लान के अपने कैपिटल को इन्वेस्ट कर देना, ये मेरे लिए बेवकूफ़ी होती। फिर रिसेंटली मैंने गोपाल कामत सर का रेस्टोरेंट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन किया। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस थी, करीब 10 से 12 दिन कोर्स का ड्यूरेशन है। और इस कोर्स में ऐसा नहीं है कि गोपाल सर आपको किसी बुक से या फिर कहीं और से कोई थ्योरी लेसन आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं, नहीं। गोपाल सर ने रेस्टोरेंट इंडस्ट्री के बारे में उन चीज़ों को रिवील किया है जो कि शायद ही कोई रेस्टोरेंट ओनर या होटल ओनर मतलब आपके सामने अपने सीक्रेट्स को रिवील करना या फिर उस चीज़ को सक्सेसफुली कैसे मैनेज करे, ये शायद ही कोई आपके सामने रिवील करे। गोपाल सर ने उन चीज़ों को रिवील किया है जो कि आई बिलीव शायद ही आज के डेट में कोई आपको उन सारे टॉपिक्स को बताए। और गोपाल सर ने इन चीज़ों को इतनी बारीकी से एक्सप्लेन किया है, ये सच में मतलब इन डेप्थ कोर्स ही है। अगर आपको रेस्टोरेंट इंडस्ट्री के बारे में आइडिया नहीं है और अगर आप एक रेस्टोरेंट खोलने का सोच रहे हैं, तो मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि पहले आप अपना कैपिटल किसी रेस्टोरेंट में इन्वेस्ट करने से पहले इस कोर्स में इन्वेस्ट करें, ताकि आपको वो सारी डिटेल पहले से पता हो। क्या एडवांटेज है, क्या डिसएडवांटेज है, क्या गलतियां आपसे हो सकती हैं, कैसे उनको सुधारना है, कैसे उन गलतियों को मेक ओवर करना है, ये सारी चीज़ें आपको पहले से पता होंगी। तो आपके प्लान में रिस्क नहीं होगा। जैसे कि मैंने जो प्लान बनाया था अपना इस ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम से पहले, उसमें इतनी सारी खामियां थी कि क्लास करने के बाद मुझे उन खामियों के बारे में पता चला। बहुत सारी गलतियाँ थी और उन खामियों को दूर कैसे किया जाए ये मुझे बिल्कुल पता नहीं था उस वक्त। मगर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम का क्लास के बाद मुझे सारी चीज़ें ऐसे क्लियर हुई कि जैसे मतलब वो सारी खामियां एक साथ दूर हो गई मेरी उस प्लान की। गोपाल सर ने उन सारी चीज़ों को इतनी बारीकी से समझाया है, जैसे आपको वो कैपिटल कैसे रेज़ किया जाए, लोकेशन सिलेक्शन कैसे हो, प्रॉपर्टी डीलर से कैसे आप डील करें, स्टाफ रिक्रूटमेंट कैसे हो, कैपिटल रेज़ कैसे हो, फंडिंग कहाँ से होगी आपकी, मेन्यू कैसे बनेगा आपका, रेस्टोरेंट मैनेज कैसे होगा, किचन सेटअप कैसे होगा, रेस्टोरेंट का प्लानिंग कैसा होगा, ये ए टू जेड कॉन्सेप्ट कैसे सेलेक्ट करें रेस्टोरेंट का, किस कॉन्सेप्ट में किस टाइप के कस्टमर को टारगेट किया जाए, आपका कैश फ्लो कैसे बढ़ेगा, कैश मैनेजमेंट कैसे होगा, इन सारी चीज़ों को गोपाल सर ने इस कोर्स में बहुत ही बारीकी से समझाया है। और मेरा पर्सनल ओपिनियन है, ये मेरे हिसाब से ये कोर्स मेरे लिए इतना फ़ायदेमंद सिद्ध हुआ है कि अब मैं बिना किसी झिझक के अपने रेस्टोरेंट में अपना कैपिटल इन्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ आराम से। और इन माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन आपको इस कोर्स में इन्वेस्ट इसलिए करना चाहिए ताकि आपके रेस्टोरेंट को आपको रन करने में रिस्क फैक्टर थोड़ा कम हो जाए। क्योंकि गोपाल सर ने अपने डे टू डे लाइफ का जो एक्सपीरियंस है, उनका शायद 18 साल का उनका एक्सपीरियंस है इस होटल और रेस्टोरेंट में, मे बी आई रॉन्ग, बट वो अपने एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर किया है और क्या गलतियां हुई उनसे, कैसे वो उन गलतियों से ओवरकम हुए, कैसे उन्हें वो सुधारे, ताकि ये गलतियां फिर से हमसे ना हो सके। दैट्स वाई आपको इस कोर्स में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए। और गोपाल सर को मेरी ओर से हैट्स ऑफ है सर।
So that is Balwant from Jharkhand. Opened up
Thanks.
this thing. Now let me show you. I mean, I'm just going to show you a couple of restaurants which my students have created. Nanda Gokula restaurant. It is on the Hubli highway, done by Deepak Nadigir. This is the Jaipur Modern Restaurant. These all. So of course, this doesn't mean that you have to go for such a big restaurant. I'm just showing you all the things which these students have shared with me. Uncle's Kenny Cuisine, UKC, beautiful restaurant on the in Chennai, and you have the D Snacks. I think I type yes if you remember. I had gone for the opening of this restaurant on Tuesday, I think so. है ना? Tuesday or Wednesday, someday in the morning. So this is kind of, so these are a couple of restaurants. There are more than 70, 80 businesses which of different types in our RLF coaching program. I am just trying to tell you that what is possible. So please don't think in your mind, oh my God, I have to open such a big restaurant. मेरे पास 40-50 लाख रुपए लगेगा ऐसा ऐसा. You can start a restaurant. You can start a food business in 50,000 or lakh rupees also. It doesn't require lakhs of rupees. In fact, one of the things which I have covered in my RLF coaching program is a home kitchen, which you can start with very less as possible. So now, who is this for? This is, everybody type me if you are from this category. This is if you want to learn about food business, if you want to plan a food business, if you want to start a food business in the future, not now, not immediately. Lot of times people, but you can start studying immediately. You can start planning. If you have time before starting a business, use that time which can add value after the business. Type agree in the chat box if you understand this. अगर अभी खाली बैठे हो या फिर अगर अभी आपके पास फ्री टाइम है तो start learning the business, start knowing about the business, start talking about people, join my community so that you can get inspired by everybody, so that you are fueled in such a way that down the line you can go out and open a successful food business. If you are already owning a food business, this is a no-brainer. It is kind of like, अंधा भी बोलेगा कि join करो. Already owning other businesses and want to venture into, diversify into food business, then this is for you. And if you want to invest in anybody else's food business, your brother, your friend, you want to go for a partnership, you are a father and you want to put money in your son's business, but you should at least know about this. Yeah. So which kind of food business does it cover? As I had covered on the first day, home kitchen, cloud kitchen, small and medium restaurants, highway restaurants, bakeries, coffee shop, doers, food trucks, any type of food business you take it, we have covered in this RLF coaching program. Now, would you like to check out what the RLF coaching program is? Everybody type ready in the chat box. I am going to unveil the curtains now. Everybody type ready. Kamar kaslo. I urge everybody to stay till the end because you will have a complete understanding of the food business once you see what I am covering in this RLF coaching program. Presenting, ta-da, the restaurant launch formula coaching program. I have created a series of videos. There are so many videos in this which are covering different sections. So let me first tell you what all is covered in this in-depth RLF coaching videos. You will get access to an online platform called Teachable, in which I have recorded these videos and I have put these videos. So once you sign up, you can immediately start going through these videos and you will get access to them for lifetime. So what all I have covered: selection of the location. I have gone in depth into the selection of the location, deciding a concept, matching your customers, arranging capital. How many people want to raise money for their food businesses? Type me in the chat box. Paisa kisko chahiye? Paisa. How to raise funds for your food business. It's a very important topic. How to select a property and how to apply for licenses, how to plan your restaurant, where should be your cash counter be, where should be your sitting be, where should be your wash machine be, where should be your refrigerators be, where should be the this thing be. All things are covered. How to plan your kitchen, how to select the menu, how to recruit your staff, where to get good staff. Everybody type me if you want great staff for your food business, and how to promote your restaurant. I have covered all this in in-depth videos. The value of this is 24,000 rupees. Now wait, before you get shocked and you get a shock in your brain, oh my God, 24,000 rupees. Bhago kidhar se? Don't fear. Let me tell you, please read carefully. I have said that this is the total value of these videos. I have not said that this is the cost of my RLF coaching program. Everybody type agree in the chat box if you understand the difference between value and cost. A lot of times we mix the value and cost. So let me explain you. If you have 3,000 in the pocket and if you go, so we all are kind of like used to getting shocks, when you go in the market. So let's say you want to spend 2,000. You have 2,000 in your pocket and you want to buy 3,000 ka jeans dekha, are baap re shock, are baap re shock, are baap re shock. So here you don't need to get shocked. Just think of this as a value, because the total value of all these videos is 20,000. I have made this RLF coaching program very reasonable so that everybody of you can go for this RLF coaching program. Don't worry at all. Yeah. So let's move ahead. So what you're going to get is 10 days of RLF coaching videos, which are already recorded and put in an online platform where you will get the user ID and password, your email ID and password, and you can watch it on your computer, on your mobile, on your tab, anywhere and everywhere. Yeah. So then we have the bonus video. The bonus video is how to, sorry about that. The bonus video is how to manage your restaurant with optimum profits. Everybody type yes in the chat box. Just running a restaurant is not important. You have to make sure that you are making profits out of that restaurant. Paisa kamane ka chahiye. We are in the business of making profits. We are not in the business of just serving good food. We have to remove money. Return on investment hona chahiye. And I have covered this in depth in this bonus video, how to manage your restaurant for optimum profits, what to look in a restaurant, kya dikhne ka, kya nahi dikhne ka. The value of this is 4,000. You are going to get it free with your investment in the RLF coaching program. The second bonus video is cash. Everybody type yes in the chat box if you understand the power of cash. If you know how to manage cash, how to do the payments, how to, this module alone, this bonus video alone will pay back all the investment of the RLF coaching program, because here I have broken down how to split your everyday sales so that you can take care of your fixed cost as well as your variable cost. Everybody type love if you love this bonus training video. It is very, very powerful, and I have used my 20 years of experience and literally shared with you how you have to manage your cash. The more efficient you are to manage your cash, the more it will be good for you to sustain. And if you don't manage your cash properly, you will not have money to pay the rent. You will not have money to pay the electricity bill. You will not have money to pay the staff salary. You will not have money to pay the vendor on time, because the management has to be done properly of the cash. Now, the third bonus video is the #1 secret of successful restaurant owners. I have covered this hidden secret in depth, which every food business owner needs to know if he wants to be successful in his business. Yeah. The value of this is 4,000. You are going to get it free with the RLF coaching program. Now, do you want more or is this enough? Everybody type more in the chat box if you're looking for more. I want everybody to take action. The people who are not typing more will not get these other things. I feel like a Santa Claus actually. So what else do you need? Delivery kitchen, cloud kitchen, dark kitchen, white kitchen. How many people want to know about the delivery kitchen? Type me in the chat box. I have done a deep dive session. A deep dive session is a complete explanation of how it is done, how to create and flourish your delivery kitchen. The value of this is 4,000 rupees. And I have given this free with the RLF coaching program. Now, let's go ahead. What else do you need? Paisa. Type me in the chat box if you want to know the secret of raising money without mortgaging anything. A lot of people can take a loan by mortgaging their gold, their house, their LIC policy, or their mutual funds, or their FD. But do you want to know the secret of raising finance without mortgaging anything? Capital raising hacks, how to raise funds without mortgaging anything. I have done a deep dive session and you're going to get this. The value of this is 4,000, but you're going to get it free with the RLF coaching program. Now, the last thing is attracting quality staff. How many people want to know how you can attract and sustain superstar team in order to run your own food business? Type me in the chat box. Everything depends on the staff. If you have, you can only do certain things. The reason why I am sitting here and coming online every day from the past 5 days and talking to you, because it is capable for me to create a superstar team at my restaurant. Everybody type agree in the chat box if you agree to this. So I am going to teach you to do that so that the business doesn't depend on you, or you are not dependent on the business. You can you can train the staff nicely, come out of the business and then focus on opening more outlets, so that, just like how I am owning 3-4 restaurants, you can own 3-4 restaurants, and you can do what you want and manage the show so that it is making profits. Yeah. So attracting quality staff, how to attract and retain loyal staff in your restaurant. Value of this is 4,000. I'm going to give this free with the RLF coaching program. Fifth is branding secrets. Deep dive session number 4 is branding secrets. How to brand your food business for maximum appeal. Type yes in the chat box if you have visited a place in the past where you went in it and you were confused. Your experience was very confusing. You know, the board is of a different color, the cash counter is of a different color, the staff is wearing some different uniform, the crockery and cutlery is different, table ka color alag hai, lighting alag hai. You know, you get confused. अरे सर दर्द होने लगता है. अरे बीच क्या है क्या, ये होटल है कि मजाक है. So, and you immediately come out and you go away. That is because your branding and your color theming and everything is not done in a very, very proper and continuous manner. So I have done a deep dive session into how you should think about branding and how you should design and choose the colors in order to go for a maximum appealing food business. Yeah, the value of this is 4,000. You're going to get this complimentary with the RLF coaching program. Let's move ahead. Now, can you hear me? Type yes in the chat box if you can hear me. Okay, sorry, something happened with my headphone. So, how many people want to start a home kitchen? Type me in the chat box. If you want to start a home kitchen with very less investment, I have done a deep dive session and the value of this is 4,000, in which I have covered all the things which you require in order to start a home kitchen. The value of this is 4,000. You are going to get it free with the RLF coaching program. So what you are going to get, let me summarize this. Lifetime access to RLF coaching videos, lifetime access to bonus session videos, lifetime access to deep dive on delivery kitchen, lifetime access to deep dive on raising funds, lifetime access to deep dive on attracting staff, lifetime access to deep dive on branding secrets, lifetime access to deep dive on home kitchen. Do you want more? Type more in the chat box. Everybody who wants more, type more in the chat box. जो दिखेगा वो बिकेगा, जो लिखेगा उसको मिलेगा. Thank you so much. Let me give a shout out to all the people who are really acting. Vaibhav, Gautam, Amol, Vinay, Akash, Vinod, Sachin, Randhir, Suraj. Great. बाकी के लोगों को नहीं चाहिए. Everybody type more in the chat box. Abhijit, Akash, Amol, Gautam, Pramod, Rajesh, Randhir, Sachin, Satya, Suraj, Vaibhav, Vinay, Vinod. अरे थोड़ा सा तो टाइप करो यार. So let's move ahead. Here is a never before got bonus. Wealth creation formula. How restaurant owners create massive wealth. Everybody type yes in the chat box if you agree that we are doing this in order to become rich. We are doing this in order to generate wealth for ourselves. This is not a dharamshala which we have opened. Although I have nothing against charitable causes. I do charity myself. But we are in this business to make money, create profits, invest those profits, and create a big pot of wealth for ourselves. I have broken down our journey, my journey, and what I know about how to remove periodic profits from your business, invest them, and create a sustainable business. So that this is what is included in the wealth creation formula. The cost of this is 8,000, but I'm going to give this complimentary with the RLF coaching program. Yeah. But wait, there is more. I will hold your hand till you get there. I don't want to just sell you a course and, okay, tata, bye bye. I don't know you, you don't know me. So if you remember, everybody type me in the chat box. If you remember, on Tuesday, after our session, I had told you that I have another mastermind session. In fact, I had given you a sneak peek into the mastermind session also. Do you guys remember? Type yes in the chat box. So you will get a weekly mastermind question and answer session for 3 months. 3 months support. That means around 12 mastermind sessions you will get. I do this every Tuesday at 8 o'clock. And the value of this is invaluable because I come live, I talk to you, just like how we did on the question and answer session, but I do it on a more in-depth level. You have seen the sneak peek video on how in-depth I take them and how I work on your businesses. So the value of this is invaluable. You are going to get 3 months support and access to the mastermind session. You are going to get all the recordings of the earlier mastermind session. There are more than 15-20 recordings of the earlier mastermind sessions. You are going to go. I have recorded everything and I've put in a location called the vault, which is in your teachable platform. You are going to get access to it. The value of this is invaluable because so many people are asking different questions. You can go through them and you can get an understanding of the food business, which will be very powerful for you. The value is invaluable. You are going to get this free. Yeah. Now everybody type yes in the chat box if you want to get rid of these problems. If you want to get rid of fear of failing in this business, type yes. If you want to be successful in this business, or if you want to know if you want to be successful in this business, or type yes. If you want to know where to start, you are confused. Are kya karu? Ye chalu karu, wo chalu karu. Type yes. If you want to increase your food sale, type yes. If you want to know which type of food business to start, type yes. If you want to expand your business, type yes. Reduce your wastage, type yes. Where to get the staff, type yes. How to plan your restaurant business, type yes. How to raise capital, how to raise capital in your business, type yes. Everybody type yes in the chat box. So here is what you're going to get. In-depth RLF coaching videos worth 24,000 rupees. Three bonus training videos worth 12,000. 4 deep dive sessions worth 16,000. Wealth creation formula worth 8,000. Weekly mastermind sessions, invaluably cost, vault recordings. The total value is 60,000 rupees. Please understand, this is the value. Don't freak out. Yeah. So if all this coaching program did was help you understand your food business so that someday you can open a food business of your own, would you think it will be worth it? Type yes if you think it will be worth it. Secondly, if it could help you save lakhs of rupees while planning your restaurant. I have included so many steps of all my 20 years experience of all the different mistakes which I have done, which you should not do while opening a restaurant, which will inevitably help you save money. Would you think it will be worth it? Type yes. And if it increases your ability to create a plan B, especially for people who are doing jobs or for people who are running their businesses but are afraid that someday that business might not give you the same returns as it was giving earlier. If it gives you the ability to create the plan B, backup plan in case your job or business fails, in case your existing job or business fails, would you think it will be worth it? Type yes in the chat box. And finally, if it helps you to open a successful food business, earning a few thousands of rupees of profits a day, would you think it will be worth it? Type yes. I know I am telling you to type a lot of yeses, but this is very essential. So now let me ask you one simple layman's question. What is one food business worth to you? Is it, let's say for example, the business is doing somewhere around 3 lakh rupees a month of profits. What would you pay in order to buy that business? I want everybody to put in your figure. How much would you pay to buy a business which is doing 3 lakh rupees a month profit or 36 lakh rupees a year profit? How much would you pay to get a profitable food business? It doesn't have to be right or wrong. I'm not looking for a valuation expert advice over here. Just give whatever figure you have in mind. It can be anything, but just be reasonable. Don't say 5 rupees. That will be funny actually. So if a business is doing 3 lakh rupees a month, how much would you pay to buy that business? Vinod is saying 15 lakh rupees. Suraj is saying, how much yaar? Kitna zero dal diya? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, Suraj is saying 10 lakhs. Gautam is saying 2 lakhs. Come on, everybody. I want everybody to write. Be participative. Abhijit, Akash, Amol, Gautam, Pramod, Rajesh, Randir, Sachin, Satya, Suraj, Vaibhav, Vinay, and Vinod. Gautam is saying 2 lakhs. Vaibhav is saying 1 lakh. Sachin is saying 5 lakhs. Great. Akash is saying 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. Amol is saying 36 lakhs. Okay. Good. Thank you so much. So you can see why it is a good deal, why investing in RLF coaching program is a good deal at 60,000 rupees. Everybody type yes in the chat box, because it is exactly going to help you achieve that. It is going to help you make a business which is going to earn you 50,000 rupees a month, 1 lakh rupees a month, 3 lakh rupees a month of revenue. So investing in this RLF coaching program makes more sense than going out and buying a business which is making profit by paying lakhs of rupees, you know. So, but I am not going to charge you that much. I'm not going to charge you 60,000 rupees, because you have spent 5 days learning with me on the WhatsApp class. Everybody type cool in the chat box if you loved the content of these 5 days. If you're blown away with the content of the 5 days. And since we have spent all the 5 days learning with me on the WhatsApp class, because you have spent time watching this, all 14 of you are stuck you're stuck like glue on this, watching this. I want every one of you to learn and open a food business of your own. And as you remember, it is my mission to empower, to help create 1 million successful food business owners all across the world in coming 10 years. You know, that is my mission, and I have shared this. Type yes if you remember this. On the day one, I had shared about this. What you are going to get? Again, let me summarize this. In-depth RLF coaching videos worth 24,000 value. 3 bonus training videos worth 12,000. 4 deep dive sessions worth 16,000. Wealth creation formula worth 8,000. Weekly mastermind sessions as well as Vault, the recordings which are invaluable. The total value is 60,000 rupees. Now I am going to unveil the price. I am not going to charge you 60,000 rupees. Not even 50, not 40, not 35, not 30, not 25. Everybody ready? Type ready in the chat box. If you are excited, type excited in the chat box if you are excited to know what is the charge, what is the cost of the RLF coaching program. Not 30,000, not 25,000, not 20,000, not 15,000, not 14, not even 13, not even 12. और नीचे जा रहा है, not even 11, not even 10, not even 9. You can get today in my RLF coaching program for as low as 7,999 only. Now let me tell you what all I have in store for you. Lifetime access to all the training videos, lifetime access to all the PDF presentations. I don't believe in selling 3 months, 6 months ka package. It is lifetime or nothing for me. Lifetime access to 3 bonus videos, lifetime access to 5 deep dive sessions, lifetime access to wealth creation formula, and 3 months of RLF mastermind session. Do you want more? Type more in the chat box. I want everybody to type more if you want more. I have some really cool bonuses for people who are going to take action in the coming 15 minutes. Let me show them to you. So you guys know I have always appreciated and I have always congratulated people who have taken action. Type yes if you agree to this. I deeply believe that action believers are the real achievers. People who just keep thinking about it, ye kaisa karu, wo kaisa karu. I don't plan to work with them. I only plan to work with people who take action because I have a mission to fulfill. I don't have time pass to do, yahan pe dekhenge, sochenge, karenge. So I always work with people who are action takers. So only for people who are going to sign up within the coming 15 minutes tonight, I have 3 fast action bonuses. Fast action bonuses are only for people who are going to sign up today at 15. First is my restaurant starter kit audio program. The value of this is 5,000 rupees. You are going to get it complimentary with your, only for people who are going to sign up. How many people want this? Type me in the chat box. The restaurant starter kit. Second is my restaurant starter ebook. The value of the restaurant starter ebook is 500 rupees. You are going to get this free if you sign up within the 15 minutes. And third and most important bonus, which you will get blown away, is lifetime access to weekly mastermind session. This is one of the biggest reasons why people join my RLF coaching program. It is not what I teach, but it is companionship with me for lifetime. Till you are alive or till I am alive, I will come live every week on Tuesday at 8 o'clock or whatever the time changes. Leaving aside a couple of weeks when I am going for a vacation or stuff like that, that time I don't do. But most of the months, Tuesday, I come live, and you just have to go through the RLF coaching program. If you get stuck anywhere, come live and ask me a question. That is how we sort the problem and make sure that you excel in your path to starting a restaurant. Type me in the chat box if you want lifetime access to mastermind sessions. How many people want to come live every week for lifetime and ask me questions or get inspired by everybody else's story? You are going to get this if you sign up within the coming 15 minutes. Now, do you want more? Type more in the chat box. I have one final palang tod bonus for you. I'm sorry to use the word palang tod. It looks little, yeah. You know, we have 44 participants now in our RLF group. If you can check it, the 44 participants, the first 9 people who are signing up within the coming 15 minutes, I am going to give you a super special bonus. Let me show you this super special bonus. You are going to get crazy after seeing this. So this is I have got this 1 kg weight directory. It is a hotel and restaurant directory which is full of all the vendors and suppliers you require in order to start or run a food business. Type me in the chat box if you want this vendor directory. By the way, you can use this directory to exercise also. It is a 1 kg directory. You can use it as a dumbbell also. I am going to physically ship you this vendor directory if you sign up within 15 minutes. Only in India. This is not available outside India. If you are staying outside India, you can give me an address in India and I can send it. I've outside India ka courier charges apne ko parvadta nahi hai. So if you are signing up, I'm going to physically send you this vendor directory, which is very, very essential. You have got the company names of all. So let me tell you what all is inside here. So you have architects, you have bakery, electrical, hotel and restaurant, lighting, project management, softwares, interior designers, food and beverage suppliers. You have food and beverage equipment manufacturers, suppliers. You have interior decorators, housekeeping, technology. You have vending machine, kitchen equipment, exhaust system, dumb waiter, anything and everything which you require related to food business, branding agencies, advertising agencies, anything and everything which you require. Yeah, it is all over India, Sachin. The vendor directory is covering suppliers from all over India. Don't worry. So I'm going to physically send it so that you have something physical in your hand which you can refer while you are working on your food business. So with that said, how many people want to register for this? Type me in the chat box and I will give you the link. Otherwise, we will finish it off today and we will say, okay, tata, bye-bye. Let me get the link for you. And by the way, I am going to run the timer so that you can so here is what you are going to get. Just a moment, let me show it to you. 10 days of RLF coaching videos worth 24,000, 3 bonus training videos worth 12,000, 5 deep dive sessions worth 20,000, wealth creation formula worth 8,000, weekly mastermind session which is invaluable, vault which is invaluable, restaurant starter kit which is worth 5,000 rupees, restaurant secret ebook worth 500, lifetime mastermind session. I am going to pakao you for lifetime, which is invaluable, and the physical vendor directory, the cost of it is invaluable. So the total value of this is 69,497. You are going to get it only at an investment of 7,999. Let me get the link for you. I have to get hold of the link. Please put your address properly in the link, because I will need those addresses in order to send you the physical vendor directory. So please put your right postal address. Otherwise, the courier guy will keep on roaming. Everybody ready for the special pricing? You can pay by Paytm also. You can pay by Google Pay also. You can pay by UPI also, and bank details are also there. And I'm going to give you a link. By the way, let me get hold of this. Here is the link. You can pay online. Click on this. And I'm going to start running the timer. Everybody else, go and sign up and come back and tell me that you have signed up. And I'm going to start running the timer. People who are not signing up within the timer will not get those bonuses. Please ask me any questions you have regarding the program. Kindly ask me any questions you have with regards to the program. All 14 of you, Abhijit, Akash, Amol, Gautam, Pramod, Rajesh, Randir, Sachin, Satya, Suraj, Vinay, Vinod. Come back and tell me that you have signed up. Ask me any question by typing it in the chat box. Kindly ask me any questions if you have regarding the RLF coaching program by typing in the chat box. I will answer to the best of my ability. And the timer is 13 minutes past 50. Please understand one thing. You can always save money. You can always come up with money. Money is always disposable. What I mean by that is, if you're getting a salary or if you are running a business of your own, every month you are getting the money. Getting money, saving money is one thing, but investing the money, frankly speaking, 8,000 rupees divided by 12 months comes to around 600 rupees a month, which is kind of like around 20 or 23 rupees a day. I don't feel that if you are trying to save that money by not investing, that really means that you are using that money just to keep it in the bank. But please understand one thing. Every year after inflation, that money is losing its value. So 6,000 now is 5,000 rupees next year and 4,000 rupees the other year. Vinod is in. Vinod, congratulations to the RLF coaching program. How to sign up? Vinod, I will be sending you a login ID and password by the end of the day or tomorrow morning. And please give me at least 20 to 30 days to send you this vendor directory. It is Corona going on in different parts of the country. The lockdown is open or not open. Courier guys are working like anything. So please type promise in the chat box that you will give me 25 to 30 days for you to send this vendor directory. And I will send you a login ID password by the today end or by tomorrow morning. Welcome to the RLF coaching program, Vinod. And you are in. You have got all your promises. So coming back to the people who are still thinking about this, let me tell you that money loses its value. It is where you invest the money and where you get maximum experience and information which can help you to multiply that money. That is what is important. So if you have lakh rupees in your account for next year, even if it is a lakh rupees, because of the Mehungai and because of the inflation, the lakh rupees has become 92,000 rupees or 80,000 rupees. So use your money which you get every month as disposable. You might be getting salary, you might be getting profits or whatever, and invest it in informational good products like information good services like my RLF coaching program, which can help you to master the food business, open and multiply your money. You know, Vinod is saying, but Vinod, you have said that you have signed up the thing, right? I have done the payment. How to sign up? No, Vinod, the offer is till 10 past 5. Have you, Vinod, have you signed up or have you not signed up? I'm asking you whether you have signed up or you have not signed up. I have made the payment. Yeah, then you are in, no? So you have the mastermind, lifetime mastermind session already dialed in. Everybody who has, yeah, so Vinod, you are already in. Everybody else who has any questions, please ask me. Only information alone is not enough for all of you. You need somebody to hold your hand, and so you can get information all over on YouTube, on other channels and all, but you need somebody to fine tune that information to help you when you get stuck, to hold your hand and to take you through the process and go out there and open a food business. Everybody type yes if you understand this. So Sachin is saying, I have signed up and paid the amount. Welcome, Sachin. Sachin is also in. As I have told Vinod, Sachin, please give me till today evening or tomorrow morning to send you the login ID password. And please give me at least 25 to 30 days to send you this vendor directory, because it is Corona time going on. A lot of times we don't have the courier guys who are working exactly on time. So I will send you this. You will get this, but please give me some time. Okay. Welcome. Welcome to the RLF coaching program. Come on, guys. 9 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. You have to decide whether you want to really invest your money or you have to keep on making excuses, because by this time you have experienced the letter making excuses works only for a temporary being. Investing the money and multiplying it works on a long term basis. So you have to decide whether you will just invest the money or you are just going to pacify yourself by just making excuses. Aaj nahi, kal dekhenge. If you want to save 600 rupees a month, 24 rupees a day, or 8,000 rupees a year, I believe that you should invest it in the right program which will help you to create a sustainable business for yourself. Yeah. So everybody who is signing up, please come back and let me know. Vinod and Sachin are in. And if you have any questions, please let me know. What are those? You both are going to get this awesome vendor directory, lifetime access to my mastermind sessions, and all the other bonuses which I have mentioned. Let me know what else is stopping you. Everybody, Abhijit, Akash, Amol, Gautam, Rajesh, Randir, Sachin, Suraj, Vinay, and Vinod. I know a lot of you guys have gone to do the payment, but those of you who have not, kindly ask me if you have any questions. And please understand one thing, money will keep on replenishing it. This month you have 10,000. If you're doing a job, next month again you will get 10,000. I mean, not 10,000 as a payment. You might get 30, 40, 50,000. It will keep on replenishing. But what you do with the money, what you use it for, will decide how great your life will be. So, it is good to save money, but it is far smarter to invest that money. Vinod is in, Sachin is in. Everybody else who is signing up, please come back and let me know. And if you have any questions, we have 7 minutes. After that, this offer is going. And I'm not going to give you the same offer later. Nice music, by the way. Akash is saying, I'll do it tonight. as because I am traveling. Akash, you will lose all the bonuses, my friend. I hope you can do it online also if I am not possible. People who take action will get the results, Akash. No problem. If you want to get the bonuses, please be in, because this is a time sensitive offer kind of. Last 6 minutes remaining. The vendor directories are limited. I have just 9 of these vendor directories, and these are really expensive vendor directories, by the way. I have spoken to the publisher to make these available, and these are going to be couriered to it. So the cost of it is pretty high to courier it anywhere in India. And I have specially told him to get this arranged even during Corona times. So this is kind of like this thing. Vinod is asking what is the duration of the mastermind session. It goes for 1 hour, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, depending on how many people are asking what type of questions. It can go for 1 hour also, 2 hour also, doesn't matter, you know. Five minutes remaining. Come on, guys. Anybody who wants, I think Akash is going to sign up later. So I can consider Akash because he is traveling, I believe. Apart from that, anybody else wants anybody else has any issues, please let me know. I will consider them. Lot of people cannot make it. Lot of people have already told me that they are traveling, or they are, some of them have medical emergencies. So they said I will go through the video later. So most probably I will be extending this later, but only till the questions, only till the directories last, because 2 of these directories are already been taken. Gautam is asking, will open a health and nutrition salad business workout with health business. Gautam, I am not taking any questions today, my friend. Today I am not going to take any questions. I am so sorry. Only questions related to the RLF coaching program. 3 minutes, 50 seconds remaining. Please ask me any questions you have about the food business, and I will answer them. Rajesh Agarwal made a payment. Rajesh, I will confirm it. Don't worry. Welcome to the RLF coaching program. And I have already told you, last 3 minutes, 28 seconds remaining. Guys, Rajesh, please give me 25 to 30 days to send you this huge directory, and today evening or tomorrow morning to send you the login ID password. Yeah, I hope that answers. Please type yes in the chat box, Rajesh. And if you want the payment link again, let me paste it here. You can pay online also, or you can pay through Google Pay or Paytm. Online you can pay over here, Razorpay link, or payment Paytm and Google can be done here. 2 minutes, 40 seconds remaining. Bank details are here. Please ask me if you have any questions regarding this. Sachin, you must have got a receipt on email. It's an automatic process. Check out your email ID. You must have got a receipt. 2 minutes, 18 seconds. Come on, guys. The bonus is going. The bonus is not available for you, especially for people who are live. And I'm going to extend this offer for people who are not live individually, because they had already notified it. But if you need time, please tell me in the this thing. If you need time, yes, got it. Yeah, Sachin, I told you, you will get it online. So 1 minute, 49 seconds. If you need any clarifications, all 10 of you, Abhijit, Akash, Amol, Rajesh, Randir, Sachin, Suraj, Vinay, Vinod. if you need any, so out of the people those who have signed up, other people who need anything, just let me know. If you need time, if you need money, I cannot give you money, by the way. I'm here to take your money. But if you need time, or if you need something to think, just let me know so that I have in my mind, and I will reserve one directory for you if you need time. Akash, you want to go for this? I will keep one for you. Type yes in the chat box and tell me when are you going to sign up. Akash, by what time are you going to sign up? Let me know. 52, 51, 50, 49, 48. Abhijit needs time. Okay, Abhijit. By what time? Akash is going to sign up by tonight. What about Abhijit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one is gone. Abhijit, are you going to sign up by today? I will keep one for you. I may require time because this month I am full with my expenses. Use your credit card and split it up, yaar, in this thing. This is not a 80,000 rupees expense. It is just 7,999. Come on, yaar, Randir. I don't think that should stop you. Are you going to do this? I will keep one for you. Everybody type yes in the chat box. Last 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Amazing, amazing. So everybody who has signed up, welcome to the RLF coaching program. Abhijit, Randhir, Akash. Akash, I have already kept one for you. Please sign up by tonight. Don't delay, because it is a first come first serve as far as the the vendor directory is concerned, because those are limited quantities. So everybody, welcome to the RLF coaching program. And all the people who have not signed up, think about this. Talk to your spouse, talk to your husband, wife, whatever. Think about this. It is not about the 7,999 investment. It is about what it is going to get you down the line. I am going to extend this offer for people who were not live. So you still have an opportunity to sign up. But still, now I think 1, 2, 3, Akash 4, and a couple of others, 3, 4 or 5 directories have already been taken. Last 3 or 4 directories are remaining. So if you really see, if you take action fast, you will get maximum benefits. If you delay, then the expense will increase and you will lose all the bonuses. So I really want you to focus on it. And secondly, what did somebody write over here? Suraj is saying, Gopal, okay, Randy is saying, sir, I paid 25 lakh for my father at Apollo. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. If that is the case, I totally, genuinely agree, and my heart goes out. I have also seen and suffered financial and this thing because of this COVID. So I'm so sorry for this. And I don't know whether it is because of COVID or no, but genuinely my heart goes out. But still try. If it is possible, do it, or else no problem. That is not an issue. I totally understand. So with that said, let's finish today's session. All 11 of you, everybody type love in the chat box if you love the 5 days of rocking information about the food business. Type love in the chat box. All 11 of you who are live over here, Abhijit, Akash, Amol, Randir, Sachin, Satya, Suraj, Vinay, Vinod, and Rajesh. First of all, let me bow my head and thank you for giving me your time. I don't take this time lightly, and you have spared 5 days. Each day we spoke about 2 hours. So 10 hours of your life with me. And I hope that with the investment of whatever you have made for this class, you got multiples out of it as far as knowledge is concerned, answering your question is concerned, and understanding the foundational basics is concerned. So Gopal Kamath thanks you from the bottom of my heart, and I wish you all the best. I hope you think about this tonight. The offer is going to be available. The same offer with the same bonuses is going to be available to everybody, whoever is live or whoever is not live, till tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock. So you can take ample time to decide, think over it when you are going to sleep, whether this is beneficial for you or no. Talk to your spouse, your uncle, your auntie, whoever. arrange. I would suggest you to arrange for the money. The money is not very big. I'm not charging you a lakh rupees for this. Arrange for this money, plan your finances, get into this program, start learning about the business, because a lot of people have gone, they have literally borrowed the money. They have arranged for it. They have come in the program. They have set up their businesses, and now they are earning in lakhs of rupees. You have seen the mastermind session also. So if you really want to get into this, you have to come out of the box and stretch a little. I understand. I mean, I'm not saying that 8,000, 9,000 is a petty amount. Money is valuable, depends on which stage of life you are in. But let me help you to get out of that. If that is the case, let me help you to get out of the situation by helping you to create a successful food business which is profitable, which will help you to change your life and create a wealth of your own, like how we have created. So that is my humble desire. That is my mission. And again, thank you so much for these 5 days. Hope to see you in my RLF coaching program. You have till tomorrow 6 o'clock to think and act on this. Thank you so much. This is Gopal Kamath signing off. Love from me to everybody who is live over here. Thank you for spending your time. Love from me. Bye-bye. And all those people who have signed up for my RLF coaching program, please give me till tonight or tomorrow morning to send you the login ID password, and at least 25 to 30 days to send you this RLF vendors directory. Yeah. Thank you so much. This is Gopal Kamath signing off. Bye-bye. Love.